We love potatoes at our house, and I think that they can be so filling and so good for you. I want to show you a really, really great recipe for a gravy that you don't have to cook. It all goes in the blender. So I've got a can of chickpeas here. I saved the liquid from that, the aquafaba, because I'm going to use it for something else. I've got a half a cup of nutritional yeast. Nutritional yeast is a deactivated yeast. I've got a quarter of a cup of chopped red onion. And here I have my tamari sauce. I've got some white pepper. I've got garlic. I use Herbs de Provence. It also has some miso paste. So I'm going to put this all in here. And then I'm going to put in, surprise, 1.5 cups of hot boiling water. If it needs a little bit more water later, then I'll add that to it. So I'm going to put that right in my blender. Excuse the noise, I don't know how to edit out sound when I make a video, but it will only take about a minute. And that's all it took. My hubby really loves a baked potato with everything on it. So I've got some water sauteed some mushrooms. I'm gonna put that all over his. And I'm having half a potato. A whole big baked potato works out to about 8 points. And so I'm gonna call mine 4 points. I cooked it for 15 minutes in the Instant Pot. And I'm just going to pour my gravy all over it. It's got a good consistency. And garnish it with a little bit of chopped fresh parsley. That supper tonight is going to be so filling and so good. Thanks for watching. My name's Jill.